Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Klarna on IKEA. So let's get into the video. So if you want to use your Klarna card on IKEA, so what you can simply do is just get to IKEA and then choose the item that you wish to purchase and then just add it to your checkout. So just get to the checkout page there. So what are you going to do when you get to the checkout page? All right, so just get to a checkout page. So I just added some to my checkout page. So just an item. So I'm going to show you how do you get to the once you get to the checkout. So here you get to the checkout. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on continue to checkout, and then when you continue, so you're going to provide your details if you don't have an account. So probably I'll just have to do this. Okay, I have to put my address. Okay, that's fine. You won't have to do all this if you have already if you're already a member of IKEA. Then your details, your address, everything will be saved, so you don't have to do this. I didn't create an account because I'm just doing this for the video purpose. So I'll just hit on continue. So I'm just provided my address and hit on continue, and then we're going to get to this payment section here. So right, so hopefully now we get to the payment section. I think so, yep. Okay, so here when you get to the payment session here, so if you want to use you have all your available payment options depending on your region or country. So if you want to use Klarna, so what you can do, you can simply select your credit or debit card, and then what you can do, you can provide your details of your Klarna card. So once you generate your Klarna digital card or your one-time card, if you need help with creating a one-time card on Klarna, we have a separate video on our channel covering it, so you can have a look into it. So all you have to do is you have your Klarna card here. So simply use this card here. It's actually a prepaid Visa card. So simply use this card and then provide these card details here, and then hit on pay and then complete the purchase. So that's pretty much it is. So and if you want to do this purchase in store, then the same thing. You can just add this card here, your Klarna card here. You can add it to your Google Pay or your Apple Pay, and then just simply tap and check out at the counter. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.